Hello, today I have Mercedes-Benz GLE 2020 with 2.0 liter diesel engine and hybrid power. It came to a problem that one of the radiator shutters not working. This one working, this one not working. The customer already replaced this motor, nothing happens, so it came to us. I scanned for the fault codes. The fault codes we have this communication with radiator shutter malfunction. It's not erasing. So we starting to investigate what's the problem. So I measure first of all plus and ground, everything okay. Measuring LIN bus with oscilloscope, and one LIN bus is missing. So after searching for a broken wire from this connectors, LIN bus controlled by this ECU. It's powertrain ECU. It's located right here. From here, LIN bus control these shutters, and I search what one wire is missing. So I found the broken wire right here under the fuse box. Here, it's no visible damage, it's all was in this isolation. So I don't know why it happened, but this wire was broken, corroded. So we plug this together and we look if we fix this car or not. The wire already fixed, so we can measure once again our LIN bus. This is a small wire, black yellow. So I show you how looks good signal. This is our communication LIN bus, and it's now communication okay. When wire was broken, there is no voltage on the LIN bus. So now we can do the final test. Put this grill shutters in place and look they actually working or not. So I turn this grill test to see if everything okay. So it's moving. So now I turn this test. So everything works. The car fixed.